Baby, I was born this way. It's like that.
Isa pa. Yung ibang song na lang.
What song do you want?
I
Mama,
want...
you told me when I was young, baby, you're a superstar.
Do you know Rihanna songs?
What kind of Rihanna songs you want?
Think about.
I get song.
Think about na lang.
Anong favorite mo by Rihanna?
Lahat.
Ano?
Umbrella.
Umbrella. Ano ang pisa nun?
You had my heart.
You had my heart, and we will have a world apart. Maybe in a magazine that you will be the star, baby. 'Cause in the dark we can see shining star. That's when you need me, with you I'll always share. Because when the sunshine will shine together, Lord, you're I'll be here forever. Said I'll always be a friend, so can no by sticking out to the end. Now it's raining more than ever, Lord, we will stand each other. You can stand under my umbrella, you can stand under
Now
my
do Unfaithful.
Ano yun?
Story of my life.
Searching for the right, but it keeps avoiding me.
Ouch.
Sorry, myself.
She knows all the proper words.
This isn't wrong.
And then
Really
if
love
this
my
happens-
company. He's more than the man. He's more than the love. The reason why the skies are blue. The clouds are rolling in.
'Cause I'm gonna again.
Yeah, I've come, it's true. And I know that he knows that I'm faithful, and it kills him inside. You know that I'm happy with some other guy.
Wala sa tono.
I can see him dying. I don't wanna do this anymore, and I don't wanna be the reason why. Every time I walk out the door, I'm still dying anymore.
Ignore.
Bakit?
Paano pumasok ka sa confession room? Paglabas ng may ganito na.
Do,
Kaya alam nyo, kaya siguro pinagawa sa akin ni Kuya yung mama. Kasi nakakasakit pala yung andina. Tapos
Ano
gusto...
parang bird doggy niya, no? Kevin, ganito siya mag-doggy namin nung nasa barong-barong kami. Ayan, so, Pinoy ako, ganun isa.
Oo, ganyan yung doggy niya. It's me out of Froggy. It's me out
I
of
remember
Froggy.
even in the room, remember when we were in the school outfits? The first time we played the Dougie? That's what Kevin was doing.
Oh, Japan. That Japan, outfit. Teach me how to...
And then the game face, dance face.
Oo, ganyan.
Can be true, and know that he know
Ay,
that
alam mo
I'm
yung, can this be
true. Yung iba, gusto ko nga yung kanta ni Celine Dion eh. Assuming.
Do,
Merang tanong, gusto ka ba ng kanta?
Hindi nga, kaya nga, pinipilit ko eh. Pinipilit ko para magustuhan na niya din ako.
My heart will go.
May mga ngayon, pag may nagsabi, pag may narinig kang, Uy, gusto ko talaga yung ganito. Ang reply lagi dyan, but the question is.
But the question is.
Halimbawa, gusto ko talaga yung kanta ni Celine Dion. But the question is, gusto ka ba ng kanta ni Celine Dion?
Pwede yun.
Ganun lagi ang reply.
Ba yan?
Bagong paus.
Ano gusto mo? Request. Hindi, wag mo na. Power of love. For all those times stood by me. For all the truth that you made me see. For all that joy you brought through my life.
Para walang spam.
All the wrongs that you do. For every
God.
dream that make come true. For all the love found you. I'll be forever thankful, baby. You're the one who held me up, never let me fall. You're the one who told me true, true it all. You were my my strength when I was
Voice.
You were my voice when I couldn't read. You were my eyes when I couldn't speak. You
were my eyes when you couldn't speak?
To me, lifted me up when I couldn't reach. You gave me faith 'cause you believe I'm everything I am because you love me. Oh, you were always there for me. The tender wind that carried me in, light in the dark, shine your love into my life.
May career ka na.
You've been my inspiration. Through it all, you always so true. My words
Bigla lang lumakad.
because, di ba ganyan si Ana? Because of you. You were my strength when I was weak. You were my strength. You were a strength I couldn't reach. You were my eyes when I couldn't see. You stood best it wasn't me. Lifted me up. Stop. Don't kill me.
That's great.
Oh my God! Yan ang sinasabing glory of love.
Umuulan.
From God because He hear my voice.
Baka
Oo,
may
yung
baha.
totoo. Umuulan yun.
Ganun talaga po.
Thank you, Pamo.
You're welcome.
Sing para stop na naman.
Sabi ni God, wag na daw kumanda.
No, sabi ni God, ituloy ko daw. Kasi isa yung biyaya na kailangan marinig.
ulan aking mundo.
Lunuring tuluyan. Hatid mo may bagyo. Dalangin ito ng puso kong sumasamo. Pag-ibig ko'y maapaw. Damdamin ko'y humihiyaw sa tuwa. Tuwing umuulan, pagkapiling ka.
Lakit pa.
La 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 la. Natatakot.
Ano pa yung isa? Pagka.
Ayoko niyan.
Bakit?
Gusto ko yung ano. Minsan, sabi niya sa akin, dali na lang. Akala ko naman ay sigurado na ako. Handa kong tanggapin ang kanyang oo. Bigla na namang nagbago ang isip niya. Di ko akalain na ganun pala siya. Pagkat sinabi niya rin mabilis. Baka makahiya muli. Hindi ko na alam kung makakaya ko pa. Di bale na lang kaya
Di bale na lang.
ako papakaya
Kaya mo
na
na
sa
siya, no, ba?
puso niya.
Kaya mo na
Di
siya.
bale na lang kaya ngunit mahal ko siya.
Ano
Di
ba?
ba?
Ano lang?
Huwag mo na naman.
Papa.
Ako'y napapa. Pagkapiling kita.
Ako'y napapa. Wow.
At napapasigaw.
Wow.
Sino nga kumanta nun?
Ko alam.
Bipolar. Bipolar.
Sulong ka.
Gusto ko yan. Purong sulong ka.
Ay, alam ko. Wag nang
Mag-alinlangan pa. Kung gusto mo ako
lumapit.
magpit ka. Huwag nang na
Isang tuloy ako'y
Good.
naiinis na.
Purong sulong na. Bangin ng ganyan. Purong sulong ka. May tumilyon ka. Dito yun eh. Dito ko yung narinig na kante. Sa tuwing tanghali. Magandang tanghali, bayan! Huwag nang magalinang pa. Kung gusto mo
Ano yung
ako.
favorite song ni Georgina Wilson? Ano yun?
Bulaklak? Bulaklak. Ang kulay ng...
Isn't that naughty, that song?
What I get?
Christina Aguilera.
Christina
Gina
Aguilera.
Navarro.
Gusto ko yung ano. Beyonce, Shakira, he said. Meron gusto ko Nicole, kanta ni Nicole. Ano?
Scherzinger?
Alin? Schwarzenegger yun? Ano ba yun?
Scherzinger.
No! Schwarzenegger.
Hindi, Nicole Scherzinger.
Schwarzenegger.
Oo.
Ikaw Schwarzenegger.
Part Pinay yan.
Oo, Pinay. Di ba half? Di ba?
Hindi,
Yung
like
isa pa,
one,
ang
like
kanya.
a quarter.
Quarter.
Hawaiian, Russian, Filipino.
Ang ganda niya, grabe.
Oo, yung katawan niya, grabe.
May gusto kong kanta nun eh.
Don't you wish your
Hindi.
You are my baby love, my baby love.
I wanna
But
stick with you.
I'm telling you,
Stick with you.
loosen up my buttons, babe.
Buttons, oo. Ano nga simula nun?
Typical and hardly the top of a ball.
I like it bending and go.
like it,
Only
I like
kid
it.
asks for more. I'm a sexy mama.
Mama,
Shimmy the miracle, mama.
mama, huh? I'm telling you to loosen up
ano
my
yan?
buttons, babe.
Stick with you
Ano nga simula nun?
I don't wanna go another day.
So I'm telling you exactly what is on my mind. Yeah, seems like everybody's breaking up, but don't love me. And I know you gotta do things right here. That's why I say, hey, nobody gonna love me better. I must stick with you forever. Nobody can take me higher. I must stick with you. You know how to appreciate me. I must stick with you, my baby. Nobody gonna make me feel this way. I must stick with you. And on the side of me. Di tayo makakapag-swimming.
Bakit? Bakit?
Kumakanta kasi si Pamo.
Mulan?
Lakas!
Sing it, sing so easily. I got